Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable, off-grid travel with something truly unique: an eco-camper tricycle. Imagine exploring the world at your own pace, powered by your legs and the sun, with everything you need packed into a lightweight, efficient design. The idea of an eco-camper tricycle is simple: freedom, sustainability, and efficiency. While traditional RVs and camper vans offer comfort, they come with high fuel costs and a large environmental footprint. On the other hand, bicycles and e-bikes are sustainable, but they often lack shelter and storage space. Enter the camper trike, a perfect fusion of mobility and minimalism. It's light, compact, and powered by a combination of pedal power and solar energy, making it ideal for off-grid adventures without reliance on gas stations or campgrounds. This design is perfect for slow travelers, digital nomads, or anyone looking to escape the rat race and explore the world at their own pace. So, how does this trike actually work? Let's break it down into its key components. The foundation of this camper tricycle is a lightweight but durable aluminum or chromoly steel frame. Unlike a regular bike, it has 3 wheels for added stability, which means you don't have to worry about balancing a fully loaded touring bike. At the back, there's an enclosed camper pod, built with lightweight composite materials. It's big enough for a single sleeper but compact enough to be aerodynamic. The trike operates through a pedal assist system, which means you still get a workout while traveling. But, to help with hills and long-distance rides, it's equipped with a high-efficiency electric motor, powered by solar panels mounted on the roof of the camper. These panels charge a lithium battery, giving you an extra boost when needed. Depending on the conditions, you can expect a range of 50 to 100 miles per charge, which is more than enough for a day's ride. One of the coolest parts of this design is the solar array. The roof is covered in flexible, high-efficiency solar panels, which not only charge the motor but also power LED lights, a small fan, and even a USB charging station for your devices. Now, let's talk about the inside of the camper pod. It's designed to be simple yet functional. A folding mattress that converts into a seat during the day. Storage compartments for gear, clothing, and food. A small fold-out table for cooking or working on a laptop. Ventilation windows to keep airflow steady and reduce condensation. Some models even include a tiny kitchenette setup, with space for a portable stove and a small sink with a manual water pump. Well, the Eco Camper Tricycle is designed for long-distance touring. The 3-wheel setup makes it more stable than a bike, even when carrying a full load. The electric assist system means you can travel longer distances without getting exhausted, and the solar panels ensure you're always charging, even while riding. For safety, the trike is equipped with LED headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, making it visible on the road. And since it's technically classified as a bicycle in most places, you can ride on bike paths, avoiding heavy traffic. No need for insurance, fuel costs, or expensive repairs like you'd have with a car or RV. So, who would benefit the most from an eco-camper tricycle? Long-distance cyclists and bikepackers who want more comfort and shelter. Minimalists and nomads looking for an affordable, sustainable way to travel. Off-grid enthusiasts who want to explore remote places without needing fuel. Urban commuters who want a functional vehicle that doubles as a home. It's also a great option for people who want to lower their carbon footprint while still having the freedom to travel. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and there are a few challenges to consider. Speed: unlike a car, you're looking at an average travel speed of 10 to 20 miles per hour. So, this is definitely for slow travel, not fast-paced road trips. Weather protection: while the enclosed camper keeps you dry, strong crosswinds can make riding more challenging. Storage space: you have enough room for essentials, but if you're someone who needs a lot of gear, you'll need to pack smart. However, for many people, these trade-offs are worth it for the freedom, sustainability, and affordability that an eco-camper trike offers. As more people look for alternative ways to travel and live, we're likely to see more innovations in lightweight, solar-powered vehicles like this. The rising cost of fuel, housing, and environmental concerns are pushing people towards self-sufficient, mobile lifestyles, and the eco-camper trike fits perfectly into that vision. It's proof that you don't need a big van or an expensive RV to explore the world in comfort. With the right mindset and gear, you can go anywhere, living simply while staying connected to nature. Could you see yourself traveling in an eco-camper tricycle? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay free, stay mobile, and keep exploring.